Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can turn off the Autostart feature for the Shift AI browser on your desktop computer, for example Windows 10 or Windows 11 or on your laptop. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can customize these Autostart settings. One option would be to navigate to your browser settings through that gear icon in the top right on Shift AI. Scroll down and enable advanced settings at the very bottom. Here in your browser settings, navigate to System. And here guys, you may for example disable the launch on Start feature here by switching it off. You can also disable the run in background so that whenever you're close to Shift AI browser, it gets shut down and it doesn't keep running in the background. So that's one way guys. However, if that hasn't fixed the issue, you may also navigate to the task manager on your device. So if you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, navigate to it. So that's the task manager for my desktop computer. As you can see, the interface language is not English, but I'm going to show you how you can access these Autostart features. So you will see a tab here, Autostart, for you in your language, in your interface language. Then go through that list of all applications here and look for a Shift, and then make sure that the Autostart is disabled. So if that's not the case, if it's enabled, right click and select Turn Off. You may also use the button in the bottom right, and that is going to disable the Autostart features. So I'm going to do that for myself as well. Close that menu here, and that is going to fix the issue. Please let us know in the comments down below guys if it did for you. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.